Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, a trading friend. Friends, once again we are starting this week on a positive note. As I always keep telling, week starting and the week ending, if it is positive, it always gives a very positive vibes. And today's video is really going to be something special learning for you. We took Tata Motors and you can see the way it moved continuously up. So many people, those who watched my previous videos doing the strangle, asked me, sir, how do you manage these kind of positions when the market continuously moves up a lot? So you can see from almost 105, it has moved to almost 110 rupees. It's a very big movement. And how do you manage your positions? Because we are doing basically hedging and we are expecting the theta decay alone. But in this kind of big movements, in this kind of big rallies, there is no theta decay happening. And how will you do the adjustments? You will be in a big loss. So for all those people, today's video is going to be very informative, very it will be very much good for you because you will know how we did the adjustments and we came out in profit. So basically I want to say is, with option friends, you don't have to worry. You can make money even if the market goes up or if the market comes down or if the market moves sideways. Clear? So let us go into today's live trading video, today's trading video. And people, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots of videos, lots of live trading, lot of strategies. And I also forgot to mention that I was supposed to upload a basic trading video on Saturday, but unfortunately because of some time constraint, I could not record the video. So I'll please schedule it this week. Kindly excuse me for that. Okay, so let us go into the trade which we did, and as I told you, it was nothing but Tata Motors. Okay, so let us see how it is all about. So the stock selected is Tata Motors, and we are having a bullish view on Tata Motors. So let us go for covered call. So this position was taken on Friday. Okay, so I need to look into the nearest strike price which is having good open interest, and I can find that many people are available as of now at 105 as well. 105 is more near, so let us add 105 to the watch list. Okay, so already added the futures into the watch list, so now I need to add the option. Okay, so I added the call option. So now going to the insurance, at least 10% far away. So you can see highest open interest is available at 90. So I am going to add 90 as insurance. Especially this is being on the weekend. I always recommend to please maintain the insurance so that in case if there's any problem, it will not affect you. Okay. So let me place the sell order. I need to place a delivery order because I'm keeping it overnight and waiting for some theta decay. And in case if the future moves in our direction, then also we'll be able to make money. Okay, so I placed a limit order for option and I'm placing market order now, and my both the orders you can see is completed. Now I'm taking the insurance, I am buying the put option, and again I'm keeping a limit order. Okay, friends, you need to be very quick in this. You can't complain that I'm doing it fast. You need to be fast. Okay, so if at all you're not able to know what I'm doing, please pause the video, and if you want you can check once again. It's simple thing what we have done. We have just bought the future and also sold the call option. So you can see the three legs which are active as of now. So we bought the future and we sold the call option, and also we bought the put option as insurance. So this is a position which we have taken, and we will be doing the postmortem on Monday. Okay, so on Monday this was a situation. As soon as market opened, we closed the leg. You can see all 916. We closed the position, three legs, and we were in a profit of 2,850. Although the future moved in our direction very well, the hedging has taken away the profits, but not a problem. Insurance is more better. Now I am going to the intraday strategy. This is the most critical one. Critical in the sense the most enjoying one today. Many of them enjoyed doing the intraday. Even if your funds are less, I would say around. Let us keep see. There are some stocks which requires more funds as well. So even if you're not having bracket orders or cover orders, keep 75,000 in your account. Okay. So I am going at. So this is the present level of Tata Motors. So I'll remove 105 call as well because 105 call will become too close for us. So I'll go little far. I will take 110, and you can see there is good open interest as well. So I'm adding 110. Basically try to keep little far, because as I told you, we are depending on the theta decay. Okay. Okay. So I've added 110 call. Now I need to add the opposite leg as well. So 100 is fair enough. I'm adding 100. Usually the price we try to keep it as close as possible. That is the main idea we have to see here. So you can see that the prices are almost close enough. Although it was not very close, it paid for us, but still I'm taking two lots initially, and then later if market is supporting us, then we can add positions further as well. So I will show you that also when we are doing it. Okay, so I place the first leg. It's still showing as open. So in case if you need any tweaking, we can do it. And also you can try placing single orders, so that what happens is it gets filled fast. That is also one kind of technique. Okay, so you can see it is continuously going down, so we are missing all these profits. So I am also continuously doing the adjustments. Again it is coming down further, and we miss that profit. Okay, now at least I think it should happen. But don't place market order. It's a very big learning which we had. Please don't see. Again you can see it is further gone down. We again missed good profits. It's okay, not a problem. As long as we are doing hedging, we don't have to worry. The other leg also will be moving in position, so we don't have to worry much. Okay, so I placed yeah, so you can see as of now both the legs are completed, and you can see both my positions are available. These are the two positions which are available, and as of now the day P&L is showing 00. So this is all around 9:30. So you can see around this time we are in good profits. So, and also market was moving sideways. I'll just show you what exactly it was. Where is the charts? Yeah, yeah. So this was the phase, friends. So initially you can see the market was moving sideways. So when it was moving sideways, we were in good profit. So then this is the time when we added the positions. Because as I told you, first enter into the market. If market is supporting, in the sense, basically we need market to be stagnant. If market is stagnant, we'll make good profits because of the theta decay. But whereas the delta is almost hedged, it is neutral, so you won't make any much money if the market moves that side, this side. But if it market moves sideways, we can add the position. So that is why we added the positions. Uh, Let me just, yeah. So now you can just see we are in good profits. We can go ahead with adding the positions. Okay. So I'm just trying to add two more lots. Yeah, so it's completed. So then again, once again, I'm adding two more lots. So again, just placing a limit order. As of now it's open order. Should I modify? Yeah, it's completed. Okay, so you can see that I have added now four legs, and you can see slight sudden movements have started, and this is when the problem started. Problem in the sense, you can see market started moving up continuously. Okay, so when market started moving up continuously, we had to do our adjustments, and this is where the real skill of a trader comes. And I would really recommend, I would like to give the disclaimer as well. Please, if at all you don't know options, or if you're new to options, don't do all these kinds of adjustments like what I'm doing. It might look very simple and easy for you, but please do it only with the help of any experienced trader or mentor, or otherwise please learn, practice, and then do. I recommend you to please don't do yourself. It can lead into very big kind of loss as well. Okay. So let us continue back with the video to know the adjustments which were done. Okay. So this was continuing, and then what we had to do was close the, I'll just show you. Yeah. So you can see this is what we did. We closed the positions which was making profit for us, and moved our strike price to 110. sorry, 105 put option. Okay, so initially we had taken 100 put option. If at all you would have missed, you can see the video. So we closed the profit making because you can see the price was coming down continuously. So this is what many people were asking, sir, one leg is making good profit, another leg will make huge loss. How do you manage such positions? So that time we need to do the rollover. So what is basically rollover? I closed the position in this put option and then immediately took the next one, 105 put option, to recover the loss. So you can see almost the loss has been recovered. Okay, so this is a time when I started telling everyone to start booking your profits, and I also started booking my profits. So I was reducing quantity one by one, one by one, one by one, and slowly like that we started coming out of our position. So basically, ultimately, the aim is, if the trade moves in any one direction, okay, so this is end of the day, I just booked all the quantities. So whenever trade moves in one direction, so you can see that one leg, this are the two legs which you took initially, the 100 PE and the 110 C. Okay, so in that you can see one leg started making huge loss, another making small profits. So overall you will be in a loss. In such situations, what you have to do is start booking your profits and then start taking another leg. That is called as rollover, rolling over to next strike prices, and then making sure that you recover the loss. So then this was my aim. I'll just show you in the graph as well, you'll understand. So it is continuously started picking up, picking up, and then during this phase you can see again it started moving sideways. So this is a time when we were able to get we were able to recover our loss. So when we recovered our loss, immediately we started booking. You can see the loss which we made here, we recovered here. This was a new position which we took, the 105 put option. So the loss which we made here, we recovered here, and then overall we made sure that we were in profits. And this is how we came out of the trade, and you can see the profit which we made is 7,125. Cool, isn't it? So till now, people, many who are asking, who are commenting, and who are telling that, sir, if the market moves in one direction, you will make big loss and all those kinds of things. Hope you understood what is that we are doing. This is called nothing but adjustments, and this is the big tool of a option trader. An option trader, entry is not important, exit is not important, adjustment is the most important. Last but not the least, finally time to update into our Excel, and you can see night strategy almost gave us profit of 3,000 and the day strategy gave us for the profit of 4,000. And let me make it into green so that it gives you a very good positive vibes. I think this is not added. Yeah, this is E8 and this is also F8. Yeah, perfect. So in the night, as of now, we are in just making 1,000 loss, but in the day already back to back, back to back, back to back. You can see continuous profits in the daytime, because daytime adjustments is in our hands. We can do the adjustments. But in the night strategy, we have to accept what the market gives us. We need to wait patiently for the big profits to come. And but if at all you want to continue in the daytime, you can continue in the daytime and make good money. Okay, so you can see that we are already in very good profit in the day, and in the night we are in a break even, but doesn't matter, our money is working as a double barrel gun. As I told you, money is working in the night as well as money is working in the day. Okay friends, so any other confusion, any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp me. My number, I'm repeating it once again, I'm also writing it here, it's 8095 876525. And also friends, just want to give you an update. The trading platform which I've used is Upstock. It's very good, very excellent for tracking everything. In case if you want to see option data also, everything is available here. You can directly fetch the option data from here itself. A very good trading platform. In case if you're not yet joined, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. And also you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. So what is open trades? As soon as I trade, I'll post live on Telegram so that you can trade along with me. So if at all you want that facility, you can avail it. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.